All right, Mason back with your Photoshop class, Dig1115. Our objectives are creating visual interest using principles and texture patterns, applying the illusion of space, illusions of motion, and design principles of perspective. Prereqs. Basically, it's a fundamentals class, so we're trying to build your portfolio, but along the way, we've got to pick up these design skills along with Photoshop so that we can build those solid portfolios. So you'll have to do some study activities, and these study activities are going to build these fundamentals for you. So the first ones are textures and patterns, good link, illusion of space, motion, and perspective. After you do that, you have to take these assessments. I want you to take those assessments so that I know you're doing the work. Okay, so the synopsis is, we're going to develop a design, one theme, again, using a subject, something that you've learned so far already in the class. On a subject that you're passionate about. It's open-ended. Okay, there's some links right here to inspire you. Get you some ideas going. Okay, and then again, it's an open category. It's a poster project. We want to create one more piece for your portfolio and something that you're interested in. So whatever you choose, you want to make sure that there's a theme, a subject, and incorporate a number of different elements from typography to color and design for this unique presentational graphic, something that we can admire. It's a year in. It's kind of like your capstone project. You might want to keep in mind the guide to subject matter, the use of color, the things you've learned about Gestalt principles. So we're going to try to create this unique illustration, something that you're passionate about. This is the open-ended one. There's going to be a message. We need a theme. You're going to bring elements together. You're going to manipulate them so that, we got something cool. We're going to incorporate lines and patterns and textures and shapes, but we got to have a message. Something we can think of at the end, we get it. Okay, you can use scanned images, pictures, photos. Okay, once again, if you're looking for ideas, you might start with meaning. It's like the 7 deadly sins. Stick to the technical standards. All right. So I just want you to know that it's not just open the box and go at it. It's really, at the end, we want to have a project we can be proud of, and it's a part of your portfolio. But it's where you can express. If you're a graphic designer, then go for that. If you're a 3D artist, we want to see a 3D project. Colored artist, do a fantasy painter or something like that. All right, just kind of looking through here. Might want to send me an email of some of your ideas. Do some research. Always go back. Look at symbols and symbolism in your culture and all the visual cues you see day to day. You've had some project background with Gestalt and remembering that the trick is to strike the balance between unity and variety. Then I went over a couple of times with you guys about the design process. You got a problem, you got to identify the criteria and constraints, brainstorm possible solutions, do some more brainstorming, generate some ideas, explore some possibilities, and then basically you select an approach. Okay, we got some technical standards. It's a poster. 10 by 10 is a small guy, but if you wanted to make a nice size poster, 11 by 14 or 16 by 24. Okay, there's the process again, and here's the rubric. Okay, so if you have any questions, just give me an email and let's get started.